Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 14 Factorization Exercise 14D questions 1 to 4. See, you have in the first question x square plus 4x plus 4. Right, you have to factorize this. What you will do, we are going to use the concept of the square of a binomial. What is that? You have studied this identity in your previous chapters, that was a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? This we have studied. Now see, you have got your question in this form. Can you see first square term, then middle term, and then another square term? But what you need to do, you need to simplify this further. So first of all, in this we need to identify a and b, then we can bring it to this form and then we can factorize it. Okay, see, your middle term is always there, 4x, right? So you have to look for the square terms, right? You know which is the square term, x square and 4. These two are your square terms, right? Square terms are always positive and they are perfect squares, square of any expression, right? X square is the square of x, 4 is the square of 2, okay, right? And now your middle term, if you try to see, your middle term will not be a perfect square. That's why it's called the middle term, which represents 2ab. So plus 2 into a is x and b is 2. Now we have simplified this expression and we know the a and the b of this expression. Okay, so now can I bring it to this form, that is a plus b whole square? Yes, I can. I can take a as x plus and 2 as b, so x plus 2, and since it is square of binomial, x plus 2 whole square. Now I can write x plus 2 whole square as x plus 2 into x plus 2. So that is your answer, right? Because simply when it is having raised to the power of 2, then you can bring it down into its factors, right? If you have x square, then you can write x square as x into x. Same thing I have done here also. We have a binomial, okay? So that becomes your answer. You don't need to multiply and further open it. If you multiply, you will come at this point only, so it will become a loop. Now see the second one. Okay, second question is what? X square plus 6x plus 9. Now see here also, what do you have? You have to see x square and 9, they are perfect squares, right? That means it is your square terms. Middle term is 6x because it is not the square of any term. That is very clear. We have learned this in the previous chapter. So see, x square, right? I can write x square as the square of x and 9 as the square of 3, right? And middle term is plus 2ab. Now I know what is a and what is b, so plus 2 into x into b, 2 into x into 3. Clear? Now solve this. A and b, so a is x and then 3, x plus 3 whole square, that you can write as x plus 3 into x plus 3. That is your final answer, right? Now see the third question. So this has x square minus 10x plus 25, right? Here also, can you see that we have a different expression, x square minus 10x plus 25. Very clearly we know what is our square term, because square term are always positive. Square terms in this expression will always be positive. So this is positive, this is positive, x square is positive, 25 is positive, and negative term is your middle term. Now here we will be using the different identity, just this sign that is changing, that is a minus b whole square. So you will have a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this, we all know this identity, our expansion. Now a minus b whole square, the process is still the same, only the sign has changed. So see, x square can be written as the square of x, 25 can be written as the square of 5, and minus 10x you can write as minus 2ab, right? Minus 2ab. So minus 2 into a is what? X, and b is what? Plus 5, right? So minus 2 into x into 5. Now you know a, you know b, take it out, x minus 5 whole square, right? Because it is a minus b whole square. Now solve x minus 5 whole square, you can write as x minus 5 into x minus 5, right? Now see the fourth question. What do you have here? 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Very clearly it's visible what is the middle term, 4x square and plus 1, because middle terms are always positive. So write it down. 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, and minus 4x we will leave for now because it is the middle term, and plus 1 is the square of 1 only. And here minus 2ab, so 2 is there, and a is 2x and b is 1. Now your a is 2x and b is 1. 2x minus 1 whole square, that you can write as 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.